Here's a free Airpods pop-up animation app for Android phones, which if you have an Airpods 1, 2, or 3, and even the Pros connected to an Android phone, you'll get the pop-up animation, and it's a free one. Check it out in the Play Store. You can install it for free, and as always, if you don't like it, you can simply just uninstall it. It's known as Andropods here. It's one of the more better rating Airpods app for Android phones. You can also check out Material Pods. That one is really good. I do prefer the other one compared to this one here, but let's check this one out here. As you install it, you will go ahead and open it up. And there are some settings that you want to give it permission to. And the first one is, of course, the overlays, which will allow it to have the pop-up animation over whatever it is that you're currently doing. So once you go here, you'll see the Andropods here. You'll tap on it and you'll switch to always, okay? And you'll back out of that, and then you want to give it access to the Bluetooth, okay? So you'll tap on that one time and just allow it. And then you have this section here all set and ready to use. So you'll want to make sure you activate it by turning this on here. And of course, you'll see this show up here. And of course, you can also tap on the model here. So let's say you have an AirPods 1 or 2. They're pretty much almost the same. So you can go with that one. Or you also have the Powerbeats Pro. I don't have those for me to say, but I do have the Pro and the AirPods 3. Okay, so and the good thing is that this is now updated for use of Android 11 and Android 12 phones out there. This is the OnePlus 9 Pro, and it's functioning well with Android 12 at the moment. Okay, and I did use this before. You can check out the older video on this one here in particular. So you want to go ahead now and, of course, connect your AirPods 1 to your Android phone or your AirPods 2. Okay. You can check out my guide on how to set up the AirPods into pairing mode and connect to a OnePlus phone or Android phones. And once you're connected like this here and you have your Andropods all set up and ready to use, wherever you are, once you open up the case lid for your AirPods like this here, you should get a pop-up animation that looks like this. All right. And in some cases, you may not see the battery percentage here as there are still some compatibility issues. Okay. You can dive in back to the app and see which one will possibly work for you. You got the show percentage in notification icon here. If you tap here, you can toggle it on and off and see if that will work for you. You'll tap on the settings icon here and you got this option here that says what percent you want to see. Okay, so you got with case, and of course that's when you open up, or without case here. And maybe if we try just with the case only, let's go ahead and see how that works here. Okay, so still nothing. Let's try with the AirPods only, okay? So let's start without the case. All right, so we'll take this off here. And all right, so there still could be a compatibility issue, but just my 2 cents on these here. Let's take this out and see if they're actually gonna show after that. All right, so no, okay, but that's about it for this video. So hopefully they update this here, and let me know in the comment section if yours worked for you, if your battery percentage did show, but that's about that. So like, sub, and thanks for watching.